What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I've just received this in the mail. Very exciting. It's going to be part of a 3-part video series, I think. But I thought I might just do an unboxing first and then worry about the rest of it later on. So let's see what I got. So I've got an SC Project exhaust. Let's crack it open and see what's in there. Let's crack it open. I'm really excited for this. I've been waiting for it for a little bit of time. Okay, what do we got? Okay, so it's the link pipe. It's pretty nice actually. I think it's got a bit of a baffle in it, but yeah, good quality, always good. Just some bolts and stuff. Now, good bit. I haven't even opened this yet. I've only just gotten home. So, all important instructions. But, let's see how this thing looks. Alright, let's have a look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Look at that. How pretty. See the inside, the diamond. That thing is just beautiful. Very lightweight. You can see the baffles in there, maybe not, but. So this is the SC1-R Black Edition. So it's titanium with a black ceramic coating on it with a carbon end cap. It's gorgeous. Now I'm pretty sure that goes in there like that. I could be wrong. I got no idea. So pretty much I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So yeah, that's gonna look really nice and sound really good. Now, the Black Edition, the one I've got, I've been waiting for it to be made in Italy because it was on back order. So I've ordered it about a month ago, but it's finally here. I'm really excited to put it on. So a little bit about this one. This is pretty much the Euro 5 homologated exhaust. Pretty much the only one I'm allowed to have on my Triumph legally on the road. So that's why I got that one. And the other two color options, so you got the pure titanium color and the full carbon fiber color. Well, not just color, but full carbon fiber. The titanium one, I didn't really like the color combination on my bike. If I had a black one, I probably would have went for that. The carbon fiber one, I don't really have any carbon fiber parts on my bike, so I've decided not to get that. The Black Edition is an extra $200 or $300, something like that, but it looks the nicest and can't really go wrong with it. Plus I got a bit of a discount, so yeah, that's really exciting. Also, if you can see, got some new merch. I've only got a couple of different designs at the moment. I haven't officially launched the merch yet, but if you're interested in getting some, let me know. I've got this shirt, well, this logo you can get on t-shirts, hoodies, whatever you want basically. And I've got the channel logo, so the gold COLEKTIV logo. You can get that on hoodies, t-shirts, whatever you want as well. So direct message me on Instagram if you're interested. I won't be launching the merch officially for another few months, so if you want to get in early, let me know and just message me on Instagram. But yeah, anyway, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you guys what I actually got. The next video will be the installation process, and then the next video after that will be a moto vlog with all the fun stuff going on. See what it sounds like with the quick shifter. All the fun stuff is coming up, so make sure to subscribe, so leave a comment, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.